Today I decided for a rest day. Today I move and I begin a new chapter in a new area. Now I know to some people it might be terrifying, but that's really what makes it amazing. The unknown is what makes it amazing. Not knowing what your day is going to look like is what makes it amazing. Knowing that something amazing, believing that something amazing can happen to me today, walking with that belief is such a beautiful thing. I am so blessed to have the opportunity to move. I hope more people can see these hiccups, because this was unexpected to me, but they take it as a hiccup. I hope people can see that on the difficulties that their life inquires. I'm so blessed with this opportunity that I get to see now something new. My day to day is going to change. Where I go, what I see, I don't know what's there for me. I don't, and that's what's so beautiful about it. I'm ready, and so are you. Take a leap into faith. Believe that everything is working in your favor in this world. When you walk with that belief, it's like everything works that way. It's as if opportunities that you never believed would arise, they meet you. They don't find you, they meet you because you were there, because you were showing up. Those opportunities are the ones that you have to leap into. Those opportunities will change your life because of the step that you took. There's no going back. You can never go back to who you were. And that is what's so beautiful about this life. Appreciate today. Appreciate the hiccups in life because they can change your life.